Hello.
Hello, dear. How are you? Hello.
Yeah, good. I'm good. How are you doing?
I am fine also. So thank you. So we wait 1 or 2 minutes for another participant join. Then we will start our first
Right.
session.
We have
Okay.
some more colleagues.
Yeah. Yeah. We wait 1 or 2 minutes. Okay.
Right, right.
Okay. So I simply share my screen. Okay. So hi and welcome to the 8 days online training program on Google Earth Engine for remote sensing analysis. Okay, so basically today is our first number of class or first number of session. So now I am a course coordinator, MD Shofia Rahman, GIS and RS analyst from Bangladesh, and our another coordinator is Tasmiatul Dolon, Google Earth Engine expert and GIS and RS analyst. Okay, this is my mention mail. Familiarity with the basic JavaScript syntax in Google Earth Engine. How you can easily handle Google Earth Engine code editor and need some basic JavaScript syntax or JavaScript function. So in this time you see here the fourth item is basic familiarity with the basic JavaScript syntax we discuss in this course. Okay. So then introducing client versus server object. Okay, in Google Earth Engine, like for client versus that means our side, server side that means Google Earth Engine side. Okay, so how easily handle server side that means Google Earth Engine side. We will discuss all of the things. Then basic of import and export any raster and vector data. Okay, suppose image, CSV file and shape file, how you can easily import, how you can easily export any raster and vector data in Google Earth Engine platform. Okay, so then band, how you can easily learn band combination using satellite imagery, different type of satellite imagery, suppose Landsat satellite imagery or MODIS satellite imagery or Sentinel satellite imagery. Okay, so we learn band combination using uh, satellite imagery. Then band combination of different data set. Okay, in Google Earth Engine platform. Then we learn how to filtering satellite images in Google Earth Engine. How you can easily filter any satellite data set, suppose Landsat, MODIS or Sentinel. Any data set, how you can easily filter in Google Earth Engine platform, and you choose your specific time frame, choose your specific metadata, choose your specific area images. Okay, so then how to displaying satellite imagery in Google Earth Engine map interactive view, how you can easily filter, then how you can easily displaying satellite images in Google Earth Engine platform. Then we learn how you can easily um, easily calculate normalize the difference vegetation index, that means NDVI. Okay, NDVI means normalized difference vegetation index. Then how you can easily make a index enhanced vegetation index EVI. Then also normalized difference water index NDWI. Then also normalized difference build up index, okay, NDBI. Normalized difference drought index NDDI. And all of the indices we easy, all of the indices and index easily we learn. Okay, so normalized difference snow index, that means NDSI, and other indices we learn in this course. Okay, so then how to make time series chart, how to make time series chart and time series data for all indices. Okay, so then this is our second page of course outline. Soil moisture index, that means SMI, soil moisture index, you calculate in Google Earth Engine platform. Then calculating average of soil moisture index in Google Earth Engine platform by using different data set. And how to calculate land surface temperature LST, that means land surface temperature monitoring using MODIS dataset and as well as Landsat dataset. Okay, then how to calculate land surface temperature monitoring using also Landsat dataset in Google Earth Engine platform. Then we learn how to calculate land aerosol optical depth AOD, aerosol optical depth using Google Earth Engine platform by using a specific data set. Okay. So then we learn how to make time series chart and time series data for land surface temperature monitoring using Google Earth Engine platform. Then how to calculate carbon monoxide unit mole per meter square using Google Earth Engine platform. How to calculate air quality monitoring indices, suppose carbon monoxide. Then how to calculate carbon dioxide NO2 unit mole per meter square using Google Earth Engine platform. Then how to calculate sulfur dioxide SO2 sulfur dioxide unit mole per meter square using Google Earth Engine platform. Then how to calculate methane concentration, okay, using Google Earth Engine platform. Methane all of the air quality parameters, carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide and methane. And also how to make time series chart, how to make time series chart for and data time series data for all air quality parameters, okay, in Google Earth Engine platform. Then how to make hillshade map, how to make slope map, how to make aspect map using different data set in Google Earth Engine. Suppose a NASA SRTM data set 30-meter resolution, also another different data set as a 10 meter and 12-meter resolution dam data set, digital elevation model data set. Okay, so then we discuss how to export. Suppose you analyze the hillshade map, slope map and aspect map using different data set in Google Earth Engine code editor. Then how to export this hillshade map, this slope map and aspect map using a different data set in Google. How to export and create a map view or map for your research paper or presentation paper or scientific uh, work. Okay, so then how to create LULC, that means land use land cover classification map using Google Earth Engine platform. Then how to apply supervised and unsupervised classification using Google Earth Engine. That means land use land cover classification work. We create LULC map and apply the supervised and unsupervised classification in Google Earth Engine platform. Then how to apply random forest and cart classifier, and we use a different type of classifier in Google Earth Engine platform for land use and cover classification work. Okay, so then wait a minute. Okay, then we learn accuracy assessment of land use and cover. Accuracy assessment of this land use and cover work. Suppose producer accuracy, consumer accuracy, kappa accuracy, and others. Okay, and then finally 35 items is how to calculate area of each LULC class. Suppose if you want to calculate each area, suppose for LULC land use and cover classification map, you select suppose 5 land use and cover classification. Okay, 5 class, suppose water body, vegetation, build up area, barren land and other. Okay, suppose you select the 5 or 6 LULC class. Then how to calculate each area LULC, each area of LULC class in Google Earth platform. All of the items we learn in our Google Earth Engine basic to advanced course. Okay, so then we go to the next slide. So do you have any idea or any knowledge about using Google Earth Engine platform for remote sensing analysis? Have any experience? Anyone response please? Hello.
I have just created my account. I
Okay.
am just starting some basic tutorials I was going through. That's all. I also don't have, but I
Okay.
have my PG diploma and some degree on remote sensing and GIS.
Okay. So So in Guardian platform have a powerful code editor for we write a code. Basically, we focused JavaScript programming language. Okay, so we use this powerful code editor of Google Earth Engine. suppose JavaScript or Python API. Okay, JavaScript or Python API we work, and then we complete our all of the work. Okay, all of the work analysis. So suppose we go to the next slide. So wait a minute. Okay, so Google Earth Engine have a powerful JavaScript API. Also, if you want, you can use Python programming language. Okay, so this is our first day course item. I simply discuss introducing about Google Earth Engine. What is Google Earth Engine? All of the things we discuss in this first day course item. So how to create Google Earth Engine account by using your valid institutional mail or your personal mail. Then familiarity with the basic JavaScript syntax in Google Earth Engine platform. Then how do you get your code to run in on the Google Earth Engine server, GEE server. Okay, how do you get your code or execute your code in Google Earth Engine server. Okay, then basic of import and export any raster and vector data, suppose shape file or image. Okay, in Google Earth Engine platform, import and export. Then introducing client and versus server object. Okay, we discuss client object and server object in Google Earth Engine platform. Okay, so then we discuss filtering any attribute table in Google Earth Engine, filtering any attribute uh, table using Google Earth Engine platform in Google Earth Engine platform. Okay, so and then basic of band combination of satellite imagery. We all of the band combination we learn in this first day course item. Okay, so and basic of import in data set, how you can easily import any data set in code editor and handle this data set. Okay, how you can easily import the any data set from Google Earth in public data catalog and open in our code editor and then handle this data set. Okay, then basic of filtering, how you can easily filter any data set, suppose reduce data, clip your study area and display final data in Google Earth Engine map interactive view. Okay, all of the item we complete in our first day. Okay, so let's go. Okay, so introduction of Google Earth Engine. So what is the Google? We focus this type this topic. What is the Google Earth Engine? Then how does the Google Earth Engine work? Then how you can use Google Earth Engine for remote sensing analysis, and what is the advantage of the using Google Earth Engine platform? Then how you can easily how you can use Google Earth Engine very easily, efficiently and perfectly. Okay, what's the target application of Google Earth? All of the things we focus. Okay, so what is Google Earth Engine? So that means Google Earth Engine is a basically cloud-based platform geospatial analysis. Okay, Google Earth Engine is a cloud-based geospatial analysis platform that enables user to visualize and analyze the satellite images of our planet. Okay, so Google Earth Engine is a cloud-based platform. That means Google Earth Engine have own well server. Okay, Google Earth Engine well own server. So this server execute our work and this server serve me us. Okay, so Google Earth Engine is a cloud-based geospatial analysis platform, and in Google Earth Engine platform access over 40 years of satellite imagery. Okay, 40 years, 40 years of satellite imagery stored in Google Earth in platform. This is totally free for user. Okay, and if you want, you can upload your own data set to integrate with the publicly available data. If you want, you upload your own setup data set. This data set integrate with the publicly available data set in Google Earth Engine platform. Maybe another participant try to join. So wait a minute. Okay. So again we go to our presentation slide. Okay. So in Google Earth Engine platform, 40 years of satellite imagery or satellite data set available. And up you already I mentioned if you want, you upload your own dataset to integrate with the publicly available dataset in Google Earth platform. Okay, and day by day update lots of things in Google Earth platform. Okay, yeah, you okay. After some time, I will discuss. So apply range of the common algorithm to data process. Okay, suppose if you want, you can easily export any image, any table, any chart, okay, any map outputs in Google Earth platform. Here you see the one example images. What is the Google Earth engine? Thousands, more than 1,000 machine remote sensing processing cloud, largest geospatial platform ever created. Google Earth is in loading all Landsat and Moody's data into the system, with other sets coming in the future. Not only Landsat and Moody's, but also lots of another data set available. Okay, suppose Sentinel data set and lots of data set available. For so far, access has only been granted to 4 scientific teams worldwide. Okay, no problem. And all of the things we learn step by step. Okay, so we go to our next slide. Where Google Earth Engine apply? So Google Earth Engine apply lots of the areas. Suppose vegetation indices, land cover classification, application. Okay, digitalization model, precipitation, soil moisture. That means environmental science, weather, all of the things you can easily apply. Climate data set, surface water data set, land surface temperature data set. Okay, canopy height, nighttime light, soil moisture. That's an example, and not only this topic or this application, but also lots of things you can easily apply in Google Earth platform. Okay, so then you see lots of things. Okay, so we go to the next present slide. So importance of Google Earth. What is the importance? We need short analysis time. Sorry for interruption, because another participant tried to join. Okay, okay, again we go to the presentation slide. Okay, no problem. Okay, so importance of, what is the importance of Google Earth Engine platform? Need short analysis time. Okay, because if you want to use ArcGIS application or QGIS application, first of all you need to download satellite imagery from, suppose USGS, data set, or Earth data set. All lots of data set available, but a very high size of images you download, then open in your ArcMap or ArcGIS or QGIS application, then you analyze it. It's lost your analysis time. So in Google Earth Engine platform, need short analysis time, very fast. Okay, reduce time to do analysis using Google Earth Engine computing infrastructure. Okay, reduce time to do your analysis, and you access petabytes of data. Okay, you access petabytes of data from Google Earth Engine public data catalog. Already I mentioned over 40 years, more than 40 years of satellite imagery available in Google Earth Engine platform. Then cloud computing power, very fast for analysis. Google Earth Engine platform is very fast for analysis. That's why it is the very good platform for your very good platform for your analysis. Then collaboration and standard sharing. If you want access to vast data set, already I mentioned access petabytes of data set. Okay, in Google Earth platform, mention of its role in accessing and processing large geospatial data set in Google Earth platform. The new features that will make analysis easier, such as the tools the pre-process the image. Suppose if you download satellite imagery, so here you see the lots of cloud materials or haze particle or cloud particle. But if you want, you can easily use this technique. Suppose you pre-process your satellite imagery. Suppose your specific study time frame, your specific study area, okay, and specific study date range. You filter your satellite images, then you pre-process. That means you remove all of the haze particle or cloud particle from satellite images, and you make good images for your analysis. This is the new feature, will make easily analysis easier. Suggest to the pre-process the images and remove all the cloud particle and haze particle from satellite images. Okay, so this is the importance of Google Earth Engine platform. So what is the advantage and disadvantage using Google Earth Engine platform? Lots of advantage of Google Earth Engine platform and some disadvantage or cons available. So I discuss. So advantage is no downloading or local storage of imagery. No need to download any local any images in your local storage. You easily access petabytes of data, and day by day update day by day Google Earth Engine authority update this satellite imagery. Suppose Landsat, Sentinel data set, MODIS, and lots of data set available. Day by day they update this data. And Google Earth Engine computing power is very fast analysis. If your internet connection is very good, your analysis make in within a second and within a minute. Okay, Google computing power is very fast. And some disadvantage available, some programming language required. Wait a minute. Okay. Okay, so some disadvantage, that means it's not very hard. There are some programming knowledge required. Suppose JavaScript programming language, Python programming, or R. Okay, so some programming knowledge required. So in this course, we be basically I focus on JavaScript programming language. So don't worry about this. Depend on the internet connection. Already I mentioned this, because your if your internet connection is very good, your analysis time is very short. Okay, primary focus on raster and vector. Raster based, that means based of imagery, that means satellite imagery. Okay, less available detailed documentation of Google Earth Engine for um, all of the things. So don't worry about this. I will supply all of the things, all of the documentation and materials about Google Earth Engine platform. Okay, so this is the advantage and some disadvantage of Google Earth Engine platform. So how does Google Earth Engine work? Okay, this is the main website, that means server of Google Earth Engine, earthengine.google.org/. Okay, this is the main website of Google Earth Engine platform. After some time we will open it. So software type, that means web processing, that means cloud computing. Okay, so then accessibility is online, must be online. And then requirement, Google Earth Engine is free of charge and free for user. Okay, so to use the code editor, however, one need to register. First of all, this topic is very important. These two lines. So you when if you want to use Google Earth Engine code editor, first of all, one need to register with a valid Google account. That means your institutional Gmail account or personal Gmail account. So and a confirmation usually comes within 2 to 3 work days. Okay, so don't worry about this, because if you put your all of the things Google Earth in sign up form perfectly, they access you within 1 or 2 hours. Okay, but that usually comes with the confirmation SMS or mail comes within 2 or 3 working days. Okay, so when you fill up Google Earth Engine sign up form, you put all of the information very carefully. So no problem. So already I mentioned all of the part about Google Earth Engine code editor. Already we complete this part. So now I am going to basic JavaScript syntax. Okay, familiarity with the JavaScript syntax in Google Earth Engine platform. How you can easily use print function for printing anything in code editor. Google Earth Engine code editor. How you can easily use print function. Then what is the string data type, what is the string data type, what is the string, then what is the number data type item, then how to apply the comment in code editor, how you can easily make a comment in code editor for your better understanding or for you and another. Okay, so then make a diction, how you can easily make a dictionaries in code editor. Then make a list in a make a list, how you can easily make a list of any item. Suppose you want to make a list of any number. Okay, lots of number, lots of your study area name, or anything, you make a list. Just how you can easily make a list in your coordinator. And then what is the function, how you can easily create make a function in coordinator for when you when you make your analysis is very advanced. So this function is very helpful for you. Okay, so how you can easily make function. Then how to make function in your algorithm. Okay, first of all we use at the print function. Okay, so print, what is our print function? Print function is used for printing anything. Okay, suppose you print. Okay, we print. Suppose we use at the print function. Suppose all of the participants are base 19. Okay, so just we put here the print. So just we click the run. When you click the run, our console tab is running, and this base 9 print this base 19 result show in our console tab. Okay, suppose you want to put here the hello, just click the run. Just this hello show in our result. Use print to write the write to the console. This result show in our this tab. Okay, so this is our print function. Print function is printing anything. Suppose if you want to print any number, suppose any number we use for printing. Suppose we print it, so click the run, and this number is shown in our console tab. Okay, so this is our print function. This is our base. I am uh, discussing basic JavaScript syntax for handle Goulart engine. Is a very important part. Okay, so all time we use this function. So print function is printing anything. Suppose we already print hello, and this is a number we already print. Now suppose I am we take a var keyword, that means the JavaScript var keyword. Okay, so we remove it, and we now we put the var keyword, that means variable. Okay, so suppose we use here the var keyword of JavaScript, var keyword var keyword, and take a variable name. Suppose variable name is D. Okay, suppose D or P. Okay, so P, then we use the equal. Okay, so P equal, suppose we put here the 100. Okay, and now we want to print it. So print, that means this line indicate this is the var keyword of JavaScript, var, and P is our variable name, and equal to we construct a number 100. That means 100, this number 100 is stored in the variable name P. Okay, this 100 number is stored in the variable name P. So when you run this 100, we call this variable name, that means P. So now you simply copy this variable name and paste here. We print this P because P, BR or P stored this value 100. Okay, now click to the run. You see here the 100 is show as a result. Okay, suppose another thing, you suppose we take another variable var keyword. Okay, so var keyword, and you use the q. Okay, suppose q is 70. Okay, so now that means 70 is stored in the variable name q, and this is the JavaScript var keyword. Okay, then we take a variable name, and then we use the equal sign, then we put the value 70. That means this 70 value is stored in the variable name q, and now we want to print it. Suppose we use the print function for printing it. We call this not 70, we call this variable name q, because q stored this value 70. We call this q, simply copy this q value, q variable name, and put here, click the run. This 70 is show as a result. Okay, so have any question about this? Anyone can ask me. Have any question? So suppose now we take a variable, and variable name is name. Okay, and suppose our country name is Bangladesh. We put here the Bangladesh, and then we print it. Okay, print it, and click the this Bangladesh, this Bangladesh, this value stored in the variable name is name. Okay, suppose if you want, you can use anything. For better understanding, is called this variable name is n. Okay, n. Okay, that means Bangladesh, this country name, stored in the variable name n. Just simply copy this n and paste here. Okay, and click the run. Here you see the wrong value, because Bangladesh is not defined. Anyone can guess what is the wrong here? Okay, first of all, I discuss. This is the number data type. Okay, 100 is a number, 70 is a number. This is the number data type, and this is the string data type, because B is a one string value, A is a one string value, N is a one string value, Z is a one string value. That's why it did not show result. When we put any string value or string data type, you must be use single quotation or double quotation. Single quotation start and single quotation end. Now click to the run. You show this result as a Bangladesh. So this is our string data type,